everyone, good morning. My name is Gadi Bakali. I'm a freediver, scuba diver, mountaineer, mermaid swimming coach, and your tour guide here in Cebu, Philippines. Welcome. So, update for Oslob Whaleshark watching or Oslob Whaleshark is snorkeling. Alright? So, today is March 19, 2022. So, news update po tayo, ano? So, lahat po, yes, are welcome here in Oslob, Cebu, Philippines. Welcome, welcome once again. Alright, so, the opening time for the Whaleshark is 6 o'clock in the morning until 12 noon. Alright? So, the ages that you can do the snorkeling or watching is for the snorkeling is from 6 years old and above, and for boat watching whale shark and inside the boat only, for watching only and not swimming, is 4 years old is all right. Yes. So if you are going to ask how much is the entrance fee for the Filipinos, it is 500 pesos with mask and snorkel with life vest, boat, and the boatman who will accompany with you in the water. So my suggestion is bring your own mask and snorkel for the hygiene purposes because it is pandemic now, you know. Yes, and the requirements is your vaccination card. They will ask if you are vaccinated, and if not, you have to show your negative antigen result. Yes, or PCR, mas maganda. Yes, but if you are going to book with travel agency, it is better because you know the rules and regulations that implementing the social distancing is still implemented po. So mas maganda sa travel agency po. So, kung gusto niyo pong pumunta dito, diretso na po, diretso na dito sa Oslo, pwede rin po. Kaya lang, hindi natin masasabi kung kailan kayo ma-entertain kasi first come, first serve po. Yes. So, for the foreigners, it's 1,000 pesos. It has life vest and mask, snorkel with a boat and boatman also. It's always included po. Yeah. And then, the restaurants here are open na po sila. And yeah, better to order it ahead of time so that the social distancing is implemented. Yes. So if you have questions, please do not hesitate or to write it down and make a comment to my video, and I will answer you individually. Yes. So if you want to ask if you can come here directly with your own self, with your own car, yes, possible, but as I said, first come, first serve. So 6 o'clock in the morning until 12 noon. So you're gonna better bring your vaccination card or the negative test. Negative test, sometimes it is implemented, sometimes not. They're really looking for the vaccination card. Okay, so yeah, the underwater camera, it is not included, but you can rent here for 1,000 pesos or 800 or 300 or 500, depends the model of the GoPros. Alright? So if you have underwater camera, no flashing pictures underwater, it is not allowed. Yes, and if you have underwater camera, you can bring it. Okay, so I hope this information is helping you. Yes, and enjoy and happy summer. Welcome once again, and please share and like.